Let's see if we could get it running. Guys, welcome to part 1 of rebuilding a cheap Yamaha TTR 125. It is a 2005 with kickstart and electric start. It up on OfferUp for $400, really cheap. It's not in the best condition, but we'll try to get it running. They're fading and broken. Fading over there, also the seat is torn, taped up. Missing a battery, the airbox, taped it up. The carb looks old. Have rust on them from sitting outside for almost a year. When I got it, the owner said that it's been sitting for about 9 months outside because he ran out of room in his garage. So he stored it outside and he never get to it, and so it just sat there. Doesn't run, so it's probably the carburetor. So I do have a new carburetor that I pre-ordered, and let's go ahead and install it. This is the new carb, so let's go ahead and get into it. Using a fuel line, so I think the original owner, he already tried to mess with the carburetor, and the other line is unplugged. Go ahead and install the new carb. We got the old carb out. You can see it's pretty rusty, not in good condition. So let's go ahead and install the new one. Now let's go ahead and connect the fuel lines. I already checked if there's spark when I was buying it, so let's go ahead and give it some gas and try to start it up. Check the oil, it's good. He changed it before letting it store, so let's go ahead and try to start it up. It does have a key, so you turn it on. It's on already. Let's go ahead and try to kick it over. Ooh, started up for a second and died. Let's try to adjusted the idle screw and see if it'll run a little bit longer. Dying out when I rev it, so it's probably getting too much air. Let's check the air box. Take the seat off. Whoa, I do not know what is going on here. It looks like the original owner tried to do the airbox mod and did it correctly, and he tried to seal up the hole. Guys, I will be getting a new airbox soon, so I'll pre-order that, and when it comes we will install it. I'm trying to make this dirt bike as stock as possible and get it in driving condition. Guys, I was able to get it running this video. I will order new plastics because this is not the original. This is from Suzuki. Somebody put it on the original one and everything. I don't know why, but I'll order new plastics. I'll also order the fairing, new seat probably. I will get a battery. Also, like I said, I'll get a new gearbox and new spokes. Stay tuned, guys, for part 2. Please like, subscribe, turn notification bell on, and comment down below. Peace.